Hello, it's me, Oscar from Marijuana Garden.
The pink Empusa mantis, often referring to species within the Empusa genus, such as Empusa pennata, is a captivating insect renowned for its ethereal, almost extraterrestrial appearance. Here's an organized exploration of its unique traits. Exhibits a soft pink hue, sometimes with gradients into white or green, aiding in camouflage among blossoms or arid Mediterranean flora. A pointed, crown-like crest enhances its alien silhouette. Slender, stick-like thorax and abdomen mimic twigs. Males boast plumose antennae for detecting pheromones. Spined limbs for snatching prey held in a preying posture. Large, protruding compound eyes provide wide-angle vision. Found in Mediterranean regions such as southern Europe and North Africa, thriving in dry, shrubby areas or flowering meadows where pink and green foliage offers camouflage, remains motionless, swaying like vegetation to ambush insects such as flies and moths. Nymphs may resemble thorny plants, while adults blend into flowers. Their slow, calculated motions enhance their otherworldly aura. The pink hue likely serves as cryptic coloration, though unlike chameleons, it's fixed and not environment-dependent. Females are larger with shorter antennae, males are slimmer with longer, feathery antennae. Nymphs undergo multiple molts, gradually developing pink tones and wing pads as they mature. Their surreal form makes them popular macrophotography subjects, often symbolizing alien aesthetics. As predators, they control insect populations. Habitat loss may impact localized populations, though many species remain unassessed by IUCN. Unlike the orchid mantis, which mimics flowers, the pink Empusa's stick-like body and head crest emphasize a more alien geometry. The pink Empusa mantis captivates with its blend of delicate beauty and bizarre structure embodying nature's ingenuity. Its evolutionary adaptations, from cryptic pink hues to stealthy hunting tactics, underscore its survival in arid landscapes while enchanting human observers as a living wonder.